We don't do nothing subtle, let's get busy. Capital on my trucker, let's get busy. Baby, you know there's nothing, don't be silly. Already know what's up, okay, let's get it.
Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another Italy Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. Today's video is focusing on fully raw vegan recipes, and I'm starting off my day actually the night before by making some delicious strawberry overnight oats. The full recipe for this will be linked in the description box and on my website italieatsandstreats.com if you're interested in recreating this for your own home and your own self.
Let's get busy. Capital on my trucker, let's get busy. Baby, you know there's nothing, don't be silly. Already know what's up, okay, let's get it. Tell me who want that smoke, you know I'm with it. Tell me who want that smoke, you know I'm with it. Tell me who want that smoke, you know I'm with it. Tell me who want that smoke, you know I do not pick and choose, no, I get plenty. I can afford to lose, that's why I win.
Hi beautiful people, it's Editing Tiffany here, and I wanted to come here really quickly to ask if you have got your tickets to the BIPOC Herbal Conference that I will be speaking at. I realized that I didn't mention this in my last video, but the conference is held fully online. So no matter what country you come from, no matter where you are in the world at the point in time of the conference, you can go because the conference is fully online. If you'd like to see me speak about Jamaican herbal bush medicine and talk more about healing yourself with the herbs that we have on this earth, you definitely want to attend this fully online conference. It's an amazing opportunity for me to be able to speak at, but also for everybody joining. There are so many people from different backgrounds also going to be speaking about their herbal experience and their herbal knowledge, and it's going to be an amazing weekend full of so much knowledge and so much culture. And the day that I'm speaking is September 8th, so that's literally this weekend. So you want to make sure you grab your ticket because we are running out of seats, and you want to make sure that you will be able to be there. Once again, the conference is fully online. It's going to be about different herbal remedies from Jamaica and many other countries, and different ways that different groups of people heal themselves with herbs. And you'll be able to get a chance to see me do a demo of making some herbal remedies, and you'll be able to ask me questions that you want. So go ahead and grab your ticket for the online conference. Remember, it is online, and it'll be linked in the description box down below. Now let's go ahead and continue on with the video. Now we're starting on something that I have been loving as well, which is basically a Pina Colada protein smoothie. This is super good and delicious, and it's very easy to make. Basically, it's just made from a homemade coconut milk that I made a day before, and some frozen pineapple, some frozen banana, and the protein all comes in from the hemp hearts. Again, you could probably put in protein powder in this instead of putting in hemp hearts, but what I really love is those hemp seeds, and I put a couple of other things like adaptogen powders, and this was so out of this world delicious. I was in love with it. It was so easy to make, easily digestible, and my stomach felt so happy after drinking this. This will also be linked in the description box down below and on my website. So now I'm going ahead and marinating some mushrooms for some spicy peanut noodles that I'm going to make. This is so good. I love marinated mushrooms. These are raw. Now do keep in mind, I do not consume raw mushrooms a lot. I'll probably have them maybe like once a month or once every 2 months because mushrooms are not the best thing to eat raw. If you do have a dehydrator, I would definitely suggest to have a dehydrator, but all I did was basically put some coconut aminos and other seasonings on it, allowed it to sit for 30 minutes, and you can see that the texture of it has changed, and basically the moisture from the mushrooms was like drawn out, so you have a nice delicious marinade sauce that you can pour all over your noodles. Now, this recipe will be linked in the description box down below. I know I have to keep saying it because a lot of times people will be like, where's the recipe? You need to put it on the screen, but it's always in the description box on my website. This spicy peanut sauce is so good. It is too damn good. It literally takes 5 minutes to make. You don't need a blender or any fancy equipment to make it. Just shake it up in a mason jar, and oh my goodness, it is delicious. I have used it to dip as a dipping sauce for noodles, and today I'm using some delicious raw vegan kelp noodles. These are perfect for people who have celiac disease and want like that glass noodle feel and texture without the gluten or flour. I'm just massaging that with some baking soda and lemon juice so it can get nice and soft, and I'm combining it, and oh my goodness, I finished this entire bowl. I thought I would have leftovers, but I didn't. It was so good. High in protein because of the peanut butter, and I topped it with those delicious marinated mushrooms, and I sprinkled on it some sesame seeds, some chopped up scallion, and some chili oil. This was out of this world delicious. Now I decided to have like a sweet treat juice to eat with my spicy peanut noodles, but I didn't want to have a soda or anything, and I didn't have any kombucha in the fridge, so I decided to make some grape juice from green and purple muscadine grapes. I actually got sent these grapes from a company called I Heart Fruit Box. Thank you so much to them, and this was so good. I decided to add a couple of cucumbers. If you're interested in this juicer, it's my favorite juicer of all time, the Kuvings Auto 10. You can go ahead and check out the link in description box for $70 off this juicer. Please do not be like me. I had literally broke the thing. I broke the glass because I wanted to be aesthetic and like the TikTok girlies when they drop their ice in there. But no, I literally broke it, and it's crazy because 5 minutes before that I was like, what would happen if I dropped the ice too hard and it broke the glass? I guess I'm like psychic or something. Anyways, I'm using the same juicer and making some sorbet to end off my day with a sweet treat because I wanted something that was like ice cream, but something that's healthy and good for me and guilt-free. So I decided to make some banana ice cream and throw in a couple of strawberries in there as well to make it like strawberry ice cream. And this was so good. I really love this juicer because not only can it make cold pressed juices as well as nut milks, but it can also make frozen fruit sorbets. I literally love this thing. It's amazing, and it brings me so much happiness and joy. That is all I have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in on another What I Eat in a Day raw vegan. Be sure to stay tuned because I do have a raw vegan cooking ebook coming out very soon, and I want you all to be in tune with it. So thank you so much again. Big up yourself. Have a great day. I'm gonna see you later. Goodbye.